Hello guys, in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to play Alan Walker Faded, the full song. Here we go. So there are many sections in this lesson. There are actually 7 different sections, so let's get right into it. The first section is the intro section that goes like this. Give you a preview, it goes like this. Okay, so yeah, in today's lesson, it will be all like obviously teaching the melody and chords, and then the patterns you can actually learn from the Alberti bass that I taught on the YouTube lesson and stuff. Okay, so here we go. Let's get right into it. Okay, so here we go. All right, so really simple stuff on the intro. This intro starts on the G flat here for the right hand. So middle C is here for reference. We start on the G flat here. So 3 G flats, 1, 2, 3, up to B flat, up to E flat 3 times. So E flat, E flat, E flat, and then D flat, and then 4 B flats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, down to F for 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And that's it for the whole first section. One more time, so it goes like this. So it goes G flat, G flat, G flat, B flat, up to E flat, E flat, E flat, D flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, F, 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 F. That's it for the right hand for this first section. Left hand, we have 4 extremely important that you have to learn this lesson. Okay, so in this lesson, the whole lesson, all the sections are actually these 4 chords made up for the entire song. So if you know these 4 chords, all the other sections are really easy to learn, all right? So here we go, the left hand. Remember it, the 4 chords are E flat minor, which is E flat, G flat, B flat. Second chord is B major, which is B, D sharp, F sharp. Third chord is G flat major, which is G flat, B flat, D flat. And the 4th chord is D flat major, which is D flat, F, A flat. Yes, so with these 4 chords in mind, so remember it's E flat minor, B major, G flat major, and D flat major. So remember it. These 4 chords extremely important because the whole song is these 4 chords in this particular order. All right. So once you get it, the 2 hands together goes like this for this first section. So it goes together, 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 together. 2, 3, 4, and that's it for the first section. All right. One more time. So it goes like this. Together, 2. Together, together, together. Yeah, like that. Alright, so that's that for the first section. Moving on to the second section, I'll give you a preview. It goes like this. It's the awesome verse section. It goes like this. Alright, let me see. Yeah, we can see all the keys. Here we go. Yep. Alright, no problem. Let's go. So it goes like this. Like that. Okay, so here we go. Let's actually learn it, break it up into 2 parts because it's a bit longer than the intro. So it goes like this. This second section, first part goes like this. So it goes 2 G flats up here. So middle C, C, G flat. That's where we start on. So 2 G flats, E flat, G flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, down to G flat, down to D flat, up to B flat, and then goes 3 G flats, 1, 2, 3, and then F, and then F, F, E flat, G flat, like that. That's the first part of this second section. One more time, so it goes like this. It goes G flat, E flat, G flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, G flat, D flat, B flat, and then G flat, G flat, F, 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 E flat, G flat. That's the right hand for the first part. Once you get that left hand, we have the same 4 chords as I said in the beginning of the lesson, the important 4 chords. Okay, so you should know these 4 chords very well because in the whole song it's always these 4 chords, alright? So always remember it, okay? So remember the 4 chords, the 2 hands together goes like this, goes E flat minor by itself, right comes in, B flat and B major together, after B flat, G flat major by itself, right comes in, F and D flat major together. And that is the first part of the second section. Okay, one more time, so it goes like this, here, together, here, together, just like that. Alright, so moving on to the second and last part of the second section, right hand. Similarly, it goes G flat, E flat, G flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, G flat, up to the D flat, B flat, and then G flat, A flat. And that's the right hand for this second part. One more time, so it goes like this. So the first half is kind of similar, so it goes G flat, E flat, G flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, G flat, up to D flat, B flat. And then goes G flat, A flat. That's it for the right hand. Left hand, same 4 chords. Once again, you should know it very well. E flat minor, B major, G flat major, D flat major. No matter what, the whole lesson is always going to be these 4 chords played repeatedly in this order, alright? So yeah, always remember it, okay? So it turns together for this second part goes like this. So it goes E flat minor chord by itself. Right comes in. B flat and B major together. After B flat, G flat major by itself. Right comes in. After A flat, D flat major by itself. Just like that. One more time. So it goes like this. It goes here. Together. Here. Here. And that's it for the second section. Moving on now to the third section. Third section, to give you a preview, goes like this. Okay, it goes like this. Give you a preview. Breaking up to 2 parts of this third section, let's learn it. The first part is really simple. Right hand is literally just or B flat, so 8 B flat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. Simple stuff, all right? One more time for this first part for the right hand, really simple. 8 B flats in a row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, hold that, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. Simple stuff, okay? That's the right hand. Left hand, same 4 chords again. 2 hands together goes like this. Right hand starts with the first 3 B flats. 1, 2, 3. On the 4th B flat, E flat minor together. 2, and then chord by itself. And the right hand comes in again. B flat, B flat, B flat, and then 8 B flat and G flat majors together. 2, 3, 4, here, like that. Simple stuff, okay? One more time, so it goes like this. Together. 2, 3, 4, here. 2, 3, 4. Together. 2, 3, 4. Okay, moving on to the second part of this third section. It's a bit harder, more notes, right hand. So it goes 4 B flats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes down to G flat, A flat, A flat, A flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, G flat. And then 4 B flats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 G flats, 1, 2, 3, and then another G flat, A flat, F, 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 yes, G flat, like that. Let me see, F, 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 F. Okay. Yep, alright, so that's right. Okay, let's confirm it one more time. So it goes like this. So it goes 4 B flats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes G flat, A flat, A flat, A flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, G flat. And then 4 B flats again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 G flats, 1, 2, 3, and then G flat, A flat, F, 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 G flat, like that. Okay, so that's that. Okay, once you get that, left hand, same chords again, so E flat minor, B major, G flat major, D flat major, that you know super good now. 2 hands together goes like this. Right hand starts first, B flat, B flat, B flat, 4th B flat and E flat minor together. Right hand comes in, A flat and B major together. 4th B flat and G flat major together. F and D flat major together. Like that. And that is the second part. One more time, it goes like this. Together. 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 Alright, and that's the first section. Moving on to the fourth section. Give you a preview of this fourth section. Goes like this. Okay, it goes. Faded, yeah, so this is another section like this. So this fourth section, break it up to 2 parts once again, okay? The first part goes like this, 4 B flats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then G flat, E flat, D flat, up to G flat, up to the higher D flat, B flat, and then G flat, D flat, B flat, A flat, just like that for the right hand. And that's the right hand for the first part of this fourth section. One more time, so 4 B flats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down to G flat, E flat, D flat, up to the G flat, up to the D flat, B flat, G flat, D flat, B flat, A flat. And that's the right hand. Left hand, 4 chords, same chords again. Super simple 4 chords that you know very well. Always cycling like that. The 2 hands together for this first part of this 4th section goes like this. Right hand starts first. 4th B flat and E flat minor together. E flat and B major together. After B flat, G flat major by itself. After B flat, D flat major by itself. Just like that. That's the first part of this 4th section. One more time. So it goes like this. Together, 2, 3, 4. Together. Here. 2, 3. Here. Alright, that's that. Okay, so, alrighty. Second and last part of this 4th section goes like this. 4 B flats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 G flats down here. Down to E flat up to B. And then up to D flat, B flat, D flat, B flat, D flat, B flat, D flat, B flat, A flat, B. Down to E flat, B, B flat. Like that, okay? It seems like a lot of notes, but it's actually not hard, it's just the patterns. So it goes like this, the patterns. 4 B flats. Down to G flat twice. E flat up to B. And then D flat and B flat for 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then A flat, B. Down to E flat, B, B flat. Okay, remember that way and it should be all good, alright? Left hand, same 4 chords. Once again, E flat minor, B major, G flat major, D flat major. You should know these very well. Right hand starts first. 4th B flat and E flat minor together. After B, B major by itself. And then right comes in. B flat and G flat major together. After B, D flat major by itself. Just like that. One more time, it goes like this. Together. Here. Together. Here. Moving on to the 5th section. This 5th section is very important because 5th section later on it repeats itself, okay? So you can see 5th section right here, can you see is 5th section times 2. So there's a particular 5th section played for 2 times. Later on it's played for 4 times, you can see. But anyway, here we go. So it goes like this, give you a preview, it goes. That's the second time, okay? Okay, so yeah, I played that for 2 times actually. I wasn't meant to play that for 2 times. But anyway, let's learn the section so you know how you have to play it for 2 times, alright? So here we go. You can learn it in one go. So it goes like this, starting on the G flat here, so middle C, C, G flat. So G flat, up to B flat, and then up and up to the higher G flat, the highest G flat here. I think it's the highest note you can see here on the screen, yep. And then F, E flat, D flat, D flat, down to A flat, B flat, up to D flat, B flat, G flat, F, A flat, F. Okay, that's that. That's actually the 5th section for the right hand. Seems like a lot of notes, but you can do it, no problem. Here we go. So it goes G flat, B flat, higher G flat, F, E flat, D flat, A flat, B flat, D flat, B flat, G flat, F, A flat, F. That's the right hand for this 5th section. Okay, left hand, same 4 chords once again. E flat minor, B major, G flat major, D flat major that you know very well. The 2 hands together goes like this. G flat and E flat minor together. So together. E flat and B major together. E flat and G flat major together. F and D flat major together. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, so all you need to do is repeat that. So together. Together. Yeah, so that's that. 5th section times 2, remember that. And then after that, goes back to section 2, which you know, it's just the, okay, as you can see in the structure, okay? So after you play section 2, it goes to section 6, which is something different. Let's give you a preview right now. So section 6 goes like this, give you a preview. Let's learn it, alright? So, once again, breaking up into 2 parts. First part of this 6th section goes like this. 4B, actually, there's 8 B flats first of all. So it goes, in fact, you know, it's exactly the same first part as the 3rd section. Do you remember that? It's the 8 B flat thingy. So it goes like this. Remember that? Yeah, so it's the same as that, okay? So these patterns are important because it allows you to remember stuff from the past, okay? So that's the first part already of this sixth section. You know it already. And then moving on to the second part of this sixth section. Okay, we didn't learn it now because it's different, okay? So right hand goes G flat up to D flat, D flat, B flat, G flat, D flat, D flat, B flat, G flat, D flat, D flat, A flat, G flat, G flat. And then goes G flat, D flat, D flat, B flat, and then G flat, D flat, D flat, A flat. Just like that for the right hand for the second part, okay? A lot of stuff, a lot of repeating notes and motives here. So one more time, it goes like this for the second part. So it goes G flat, D flat, D flat, B flat, G flat, D flat, D flat, B flat, G flat, D flat, D flat, A flat, G flat, G flat. And then G flat, D flat, D flat, B flat, and then G flat, D flat, D flat, A flat. That's the right hand for this second part of this sixth section. Left hand, once again, same chords, E flat minor, B major, G flat major, and D flat major. Alright, the two hands together goes like this. Right hand starts first. After that, E flat minor by itself, right hand comes in. After A flat, B major by itself, right hand continues. After B flat, G flat major by itself, right hand comes in. After A flat, D flat major by itself. Just like that. Alright, one more time, so it goes like this. Here. 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 That's it for the sixth section. Moving on to the seventh section. The seventh section, give you a preview right now, it's pretty awesome. It's actually this motive on the right hand played for each of the four chords. It's actually pretty simple. I'll give you a preview, it goes like this. It might seem pretty hard and fast and stuff, but it's actually very easy. This motive, once you get it, it sounds hard, but it's actually not hard. All right, so here we go. So the motive on the right hand that you have to remember for this seventh section is this. Goes G flat twice, down to E flat, up to A flat, G flat, G flat, up to D flat, B flat, down to E flat, F, G flat. And that's the motive that you remember, okay? So what you do for this motive, so G flat, E flat, A flat, G flat, D flat, B flat, E flat, F, G flat. This is a how many note motive? So this is a 11 note motive. Remember this 11 notes because what you need to do, every single first note of this motive is played for the chord together. So each of the four chords, right? So you just play for 4 times with this motive with the 4 chords like this, like this. Check it out. So it's starting on the first one, so it's together always, all the time. So it goes together, and then together. Same here, together, and same here, together. That's it. Simple stuff, right? Okay, so not hard. All you need to do is play that 11 note motive, the first note with each of the 4 chords in that series. And that's it. That's the 7th section. Pretty short. As you can see right now, after the 7th section in the structure, it goes back to section 5, which you know, times 4 this time, okay? So you know it, it's the section 5 is this part, the etc. But you play this section for 4 times instead of 2 times as before. Okay, so after you played it for 4 times, that's awesome. The song finishes off after that. You see, it says finish off at section 1, okay, which is the calm section. The you can slow down, dun, 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 and it's like slow down even more, like it finishing off. And you can even finish off with an E flat minor ending, and that's it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Those are the melody and chords to this whole full song, alright? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, you can have a lot of fun with changing up all the arrangements and stuff, but for me, I kept it more like, I just want to keep it more like the cover that I did, okay? So for some of the more calmer sections, I did what I did in my other YouTube thing as well, where I just did Alberti bass, the kind of thing for the chords to apply this pattern. Yeah, and then the other sections I just did like octaves and arpeggios, like improvisations, like just different every single time, but it just to make it a bit bigger, so you fill it up with like octaves and arpeggios on the left hand based on the same chords and everything. Okay, but anyway, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. As for now, enjoy your time around my channel and my other musical content, and see you next time.